Does this one look familiar? I see a lot of beginners do that, and it makes a mess. So, slow this down a little bit. I'll show you a better way to control your water. Just one dip of the hand. All the way up though, don't just dip your fingers. My bucket is full to here, so it's enough for me to dip my hand all the way into the water, get it nice and wet. You don't have to scoop any. You don't even have to splash any across. Just a wet hand and place that on the clay. That's enough to hydrate it for the next 5 to 10 seconds. So I'll do that. We've got some extra slip on this hand too, so I'll press for 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2 seconds as I release. And then you see it's starting to get a little dry there. Could I do it one more time? Sure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. But now it's starting to get dry. You can see my hands. There's some fresh slip here, but this is pretty dry and sticky. Same with right there, dry and sticky. So what I like to do, some people will use the slip back down on there. I find that it doesn't allow your hands to glide quite as well. So I get rid of that, dip my hand again, set it on. See how nice and coated it is with water? And then back to it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay?